Japan, land of a rising sun. Japan is an archipelago of islands or island chain composed of 4,233 islands in East Asia. Island chain composed of 4,233 islands in East Honshu, Kyushu, Shikoku, and Hokkaido are the main islands with an area of 145,822 square miles. It's slightly larger than the Philippines. It is bounded on the west by the Sea of Japan, Korea, and the Russian Pacific territories. On the north by the Sakhalin on the east and south by the Pacific Ocean, and the northeast by East China Sea. The climate is temperate. The main islands are dotted with mountains. Mount Fuji is the most known mountain, separated by arable valleys. The agricultural lands, however, are among the most productive in the world, and this is due to abundant rainfall, enough sunlight, long growing season, and the industriousness of Japanese farmers. Nature, however, is not totally kind to the Japanese people. Earthquakes, tidal waves, tsunami is a tidal waves, and storms regularly strike in the consistently active volcanoes in Japan. About 2,000 tremors shake the island.